To be able to browse through the title we are creating, we'll need to create actions. Let's see how to create some simple actions that will let us navigate through pages. Press the Actions icon to open the window where we select each of the elements of the action. First of all, select the source, i.e. the element that at a given time will cause the action, e.g. a button. We will see that, when selecting a source, available options in the event menu change. Choose one. After that, we must select a target. These are grouped into page elements if we are located in a table of contents page, master page elements, and title components. In this case, select the page browser. In doing so, available actions for page browser appear in the final box. Select Next Page. Finally, press Create to save the action. Proceed in the same way to create an action to go to the previous page. Select a source, an event, page browser, previous page, and we save the action. We can check it by generating a title preview.